Hello students, here is the question. Let f be a function ranging from r to r, and it is defined as sine of a plus 1x plus sine 2x upon 2x, x less than 0, b when x is equal to 0, and root of x plus bx cube minus root x. The root is not over the entire term, the root is only over the bx cube term, the rest of the root is wrong. So root of x plus bx cube minus root x upon bx raised to 5 by 2 when x is greater than 0. And if x is continuous at x equal to 0, then the value of a plus b equal to. So we need the value of a plus b, and for that we need to find the value of a and b separately. So doing that, we know that f is continuous at x equal to 0, meaning f of 0 minus equal to f of 0 is equal to f of 0 plus. So f of 0 minus can be written as limit x tends to 0 minus sine of a plus 1x plus sine of 2x upon 2x. What we can do is we just separate the denominator between the two terms. We get sine of 2x by 2x as the second term, and the first term becomes sine of a plus 1x as the same, divided by, we multiply and divide by a plus 1 and get a plus 1x and a plus 1 upon 2, because we had 2x before, so the constant 2 will be multiplied to the constant a plus 1. And you doing that, we have formed the standard limit that, let's say, x is tending to 0 minus sine of a by a, I'm sorry, not a, so not x, a. Let's say a is tending to 0 minus sine a by a is equals to 1. So this limit is always equals to 1. For doing that, we can see that this limit turns to 1. This is multiplied by a plus 1 by 2. We get a plus 1 by 2, and similarly by this we get this to be 1. So we get this equation as the first equation. So this f of 0 plus can be found out as limit x tends to 0 plus root of x plus bx cube minus root x upon bx raised to 5 by 2. So we can do the identity that a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So using this identity for this numerator, we can say that root of x plus bx cube the whole square minus root x square upon bx raised to 5 upon root of x plus bx cube plus root of x. As you can see, the sign has changed over here, and once you simplify, the x and x gets cancelled and we get bx cube only. And after getting this, we divide that with bx raised to 5 by 2, and we see x cube is greater than x raised to 5 by 2. So x raised to 3 minus 5 by 2, which becomes x raised to 1 by 2. And if we take a root x from the denominator common and cancel it out with the numerator root x, we get 1 in the numerator upon 1 plus bx square plus 1 as the denominator. And once we put x equal to 0 in this case, we get the value to be equal to 1 by 2. And we know that the f equal to 0, that is at x exactly equal to 0, we have b as the value. So we use all these three equations to get the value of a and b to be minus 2 and 1 by 2 respectively, and we use these values to get a plus b, which is minus 3 by 2. Thank you.